Let's consider the hypothetical that war starts tonight. Let's consider that we may wake up in the middle of the night and it is all out. The country is just flat out at war, more than what it is right now. They actually hit the motherland, us here. Something that we do not have any experience. Again, this is a hypothetical. And many of you, I hope, have your own plans. Whether or not you're going to stay in your house, whether or not you're going to bug out, whether or not, I don't know. I truly don't know. There are so many plans out there that I just don't know. I'm just going to share my way. And, again, this is a hypothetical. If war breaks out or starts tonight, I will not go anywhere. In fact, I will keep myself and family in my house. I do absolutely nothing being up there with more panic. Nothing whatsoever. One thing that I will strongly recommend everybody is to stay away from social media, from your phone. You're going to hear so much chaos. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube will not be reliable sources for information. Will not. The first few days, I plan just to see what's going on and absorb what is going on around me. It will be not to my benefit just to listen for what is going on social media. Social media is not a source for news. I'm telling you this right now. There will be so many people taking advantage of, I do the doom scrolling so you don't have to do it, and just providing you misinformation. There will be so many people they say, I heard misinformation. You will hear so many folks just pretending to know. Again, misinformation. At the end of the day, information will be so much up there that you don't know, or you will not know what's real and what is not. My advice will be very simple when it comes to that. Get a hold of your group and make sure that everybody is okay. Send a text to your friends, no phone calls, a text to your friends and your family. Are you okay? And let everybody reply to you. Okay, 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 okay. Whoever is not okay, no. Now you know who needs help. If you can make it, good. If you cannot, all I'm saying is stay put, because you don't know. You are not Rambo. You are not a hero for right now to get your 1022 and go in a Mission Impossible and try to save somebody. It will not be the time for you to put your gear and whatnot. And again, if I'm not doing it, I will not advise you to do it. Plain and simple. Roads will be congested. Most likely, power will be gone. So if you don't have your Opus, I strongly recommend you to make sure you have your Opus. If you do, make sure that it's charged. You don't do anything with it with a Opus that is not charged, or a system, whatever it is you have. Whatever gas you have on hand is what you have, and that's it. If you plan to get to the other individual because you have to help, because it's your, somebody who lives depends on you, make sure that you get there as quick as possible. Make sure you know the back ways to get to it. You know what? It will be great if you have a 4-wheel drive. Something small. ATV. Motorcycle. Something that you can maneuver easy. Because at that time, you don't know what's what. And the car is a lot bigger. Just throwing it up there. If I were to go help a friend in here, I will not show up at that friend's house in my vehicle. I will probably use an ATV just to get faster. Now, granted, I'm in Alaska and, we have less than 1 million people living here in a state way bigger than Texas. I'm sorry, Texas. You're not as big as you think you are. But that's not here and there. So communication is going to be out of the question. You won't be able to trust anything. In fact, most likely your cell phone will be down. You will be dependent on radios. Do you have radios? The problem is that these radios will be saturated with people just talking. You don't even going to be able to know who is talking. Satellite communication will be key. I hope you are prepared for that one. Satellite communication. Guys, there is a lot you have to consider. Do you have your weapon ready just in case? Not to go out and to pretend to be Rambo or anything like that. No, just to protect yourself and your family. If war starts tomorrow or tonight or right now, the initial chaos will take down thousands of people. Thousands. The initial chaos. Not even bullets flying yet. The initial chaos. I will not be on the streets unless I get that text and it says Billy SOS. Then I will, if I can make it over there, I will make it. But I have a plan how to. The other thing is that will not be the time for you to hit the stores or anything like that. What you have, and that's it. That's not the time to go do a prepping haul. Nuh-uh. You're done. What you have is what you have, and you don't need to be out there, being part of the craziness. I hope that everybody is thinking this hypothetical scenario or thinking about this hypothetical scenario as something that it can actually happen. I truly do hope that everybody's preparing as best as possible. Again, this is just hypothetical. I hope that we never see that in here. But unfortunately, the hypothetical scenario may be a reality very soon. Power outages, camping, work on the go. Opus keeps you connected at home and outdoors. With clean, reliable energy, Opus powers freedom. Opus, the choice of the frontier preppers. If you'd like to support the channel, check out the links in the pinned comment below. Consider joining our Frontier Prepper Squad or let an add to your run. It really does make a difference. And always remember, those who prepare today will not struggle tomorrow.